In today's video, I'm going to show you Wix AI review. Is it worth it? Wix AI is one of the most advanced AI website builders right now, designed to create a full website in minutes based on a few prompts. It combines AI-generated layouts, text, and design with a powerful drag-and-drop editor, so you can quickly build and then customize your site without coding. It also includes built-in tools like SEO optimization, analytics, and marketing automation, making it an all-in-one platform rather than just a builder. One of its biggest strengths is ease of use. Even beginners can create professional-looking websites thanks to its intuitive interface and large template library. The AI speeds up the process significantly while still allowing creative control afterward. It's especially strong for small to medium websites, portfolios, and online stores that don't require complex backend systems. However, Wix AI is not perfect. One major limitation is that once you choose a template and publish your site, switching designs later often requires rebuilding from scratch. It also has limited advanced customization compared to more flexible platforms, and pricing can increase as you add features or scale your site. Performance can sometimes slow down on very large or complex websites. From real user discussions online, opinions are mixed. Some users complain about AI-generated content quality and rising costs, while others appreciate the speed and convenience. For example, one Reddit user said the AI tools can feel limited and sometimes buggy, especially for content generation. Overall, Wix AI is worth it if you want a fast, beginner-friendly, all-in-one website solution with strong AI assistance. But if you need deep customization, full control, or plan to build a very complex site, you may eventually feel its limitations. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.